Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Pad 5 and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down until we will find the digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on show your data here. And as you can see, this is the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today, and you can check that I've been using it for above 1 hour. And here we've got also listed all of the, maybe not all the apps, but most of the apps which I've been using. What's more, we've got the unlocks and notifications count. And we've got actually two different ways to check some further details. So we can either tap right in front of this graph to show, let's say, basic data about the screen, or we can tap on particular app to check the information about it. So let me first of all tap right inside the graph, and as you can see, we've been transferred to the dashboard, which will show us for how long we've been using the device in particular days. And here we've got only the Wednesday, and under it we've got all of the apps which I've been using. So for example, you can check that I've been using the settings for almost 30 minutes. What's more, we can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened. We can go back, of course, and the second way to check some details is to simply tap on the app. So let me pick, for example, the settings, and as you can see, the dashboard will be shown only for the settings, and you cannot check any other. You can change the daily to hourly option, and of course, again, the screen time to the notifications received and times opened. We can go back, and under it we've got some options which are connected to the ways to disconnect. So we've got the dashboard, we've got the bedtime mode and focus mode. So for example, after entering the focus mode, you will be able to select some apps from which you are receiving the most notifications, mark them, and simply set a schedule. So your device will just limit the notifications from those apps between the start and end time. So that's quite a cool option if you need the time for yourself, you just want to rest or work or whatever you need. And under it we've got the reduce interruptions section. So here we can manage notifications and do not disturb mode, which are basically defaultly on the device. You've got also heads up, you can show the icon in the app list, and you can enter the parental controls here. So actually this is it. This is how to check total screen time in your Xiaomi Pad 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.